PAR's advanced manufacturing demonstrates the value of patented processes and proven experience. How do you account for variation in process, parts, and critical feature uncertainty? We are PAR, and we know how. PAR has large, high-precision welding machines with the advanced controls necessary for highest quality welds. In fact, we offer the world's most advanced friction stir welding, providing durable, lightweight, solid-state welds for difficult materials, like advanced aluminum alloys or titanium, faster than riveting or traditional welding. PAR delivers highly precise machines to support determinate assembly, fastening and defastening, and precision drilling in composite skins or assemblies of multiple materials. Another benefit of our experience. PAR also provides automated laser scribing of large contoured parts. Without need for expensive fixturing to hold a part to its nominal shape, PAR's adaptive manufacturing process scans the part as it is presented and adapts the tool path for precision on the order of 1/1000th accuracy across large work envelopes. Based on our vast experience with some of the most famous and demanding organizations in history, from defense to aerospace and beyond, PAR's advanced manufacturing teams know how to harness cutting-edge technologies to achieve exacting tolerances in highly uncertain environments. Friction stir welding, machine learning controls, precision water jet cutting, adaptive manufacturing. PAR, the power of how.